friends, I'm Mustafil and you are watching my channel New Futures for You. So let's go to the future. So friends, now I'm going to solve a problem which is like, let vector A equals to z cap minus k cap and vector C equals to I cap minus j cap minus k cap, comma, then vector B, vector satisfying a cross b plus c vector equals to 0 and a dot b equals to 0 is there is given some option. Option A is 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Option B is I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. Option C is I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, or option D is minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So which is the following answer is vector B. This problem is very important for any exam like JEE, NEET or WBJE. In fact, I will copy it from JEE question paper 2010. This problem is very important but not easy because here is given only two equations. One was a cross b plus vector c equals to 0 and other was a dot b equals to 0. If there is have three equations, then we have to solve it with rationalization and find out the value of vector v. So let's solve it. I will solve it with technical method. So let's start to solve it. Now I'm draw here which are offered in the question. I mean vector A equals to j cap minus k cap. I call it equation 1. Vector C equals to I cap minus j cap minus k cap. I call it equation 2. A cross b plus vector c is equals to 0. I called it, implies that vector c is equals to minus a cross b. Implies that we can read here vector c equals to v vector cross a. That means C is vertical with a vector or b vector. If C is vertical with vector A, then a dot C equals to 0. I'm going to put the value of A and B, vector A and C. So j cap minus k cap into I cap minus j cap minus k cap equals to 0. Implies that minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Oh, this is signified. Minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So vector C, A and B, A and C is vector A and C is rationalization. Equally, vector C and vector V is C is vertical. So vector V dot C equals to 0. We find it from this one. Okay, I called it equation 3 and here is given a dot b equals to 3. I called it equation 4. Now I am taking here vector v. So vector v equals to, I am taking here vector v I cap v1 I cap plus b vector v2 j cap, sorry this is not vector, plus b3 k cap. I call it equation 5. Now I'm put down here equation 3, which is vector v dot vector c equals to 0, implies that I will put here the value of vector v and vector c. Vector v is the value of vector v is b1 I cap plus v2 j cap plus v3 k cap, and vector c is I cap minus j cap minus k cap. So I am put here the value of vector v and vector c. So b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap dot I cap minus j cap minus k cap equals to 0, implies that b1 minus b2 minus b3 equals to 0, implies that b1 equals to b2 plus b3. Now I'm put down here equation 4, which is a dot b equals to 0. The value of vector a is j cap minus k cap equals to 0. So I'm put here the value of a, which is j cap minus k cap dot b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap equals to 0, implies that b2 minus b3, oh sorry, here is 3 equals to 3, implies that b3 3, b2 equals to 3 plus b3, implies that b2 plus b3 equals to 3 plus 2 b3, implies that b1 equals to 3 plus 2 b3. So we find the value of b2 is 3 plus b3, and the value of b1 is 3 plus 2 b3. Now I am put the value of b1 and b2 in the vector v3 vector v is equals to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now I put here the value of b1 and b2. So 3 plus 2 b3 I cap plus 3 plus b3 j cap plus b3 k cap. You know that b3 is also constant, so now I will put here the value of any value of v3. Firstly, now I put here the value of v3 is 1. If we put the value of b3 is 1, then we find vector b equals to, if b3 equals to 1, then vector v equals to 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus k cap. This is not satisfied with the answer, so I have to put value v3's value, which is that is satisfied with answer. So now I am put the value of v3 is minus 2, equals to minus 2. So vector v equals to 3 minus 2 into plus 2 into minus 2 I cap plus 3 minus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap is equals to minus I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. This is satisfying with option D. So option D is correct. If my videos were touched you, then like it, share it with your friend who has watched this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. New features for you.